host, Jessica. Welcome back to my channel, Jessica, where I provide valuable insights and guidance on all things related to property buying in the USA. In today's video, we'll be diving into the exciting world of property purchasing and explore the essential steps you need to take to make a smart, before embarking on your property buying journey. It's crucial to set your goals and determine your budget. In this segment, I'll guide you through the process of identifying your needs, preferences, and financial capabilities. We'll discuss factors like location, property type, size, and amenities. Researching the real estate market is vital to make informed decisions. In this segment, I'll show you how to gather relevant information about different neighborhoods, property values, market trends, and potential investment opportunities. We'll explore online resources, work with real estate agent. Financing plays a significant role in property buying. In this segment, we'll discuss various financing options available in the USA, including traditional mortgages, government-backed loans, and alternative financing methods. I'll provide insights on how to choose the right mortgage option. Naviga. Once you've identified potential properties, it's time to view them in person and conduct inspections. In this segment, I'll share tips on what to look for during property viewings, how to assess the condition of the property, and the importance of professional inspections. We'll cover essential as: after finding the perfect property, it's time to make an offer and negotiate with the seller. In this segment, I'll guide you through the negotiation process, including understanding market dynamics, making competitive offers, and negotiating favorable terms. I'll share strategies to increase your congratulations! You've reached the final stage of the property buying process. In this segment, I'll walk you through the closing process and highlight essential legal considerations. We'll discuss the role of attorneys, reviewing contracts, conducting title searches, and completing the necessary. Thank you for joining me today as we explore the step-by-step process of property buying in the USA. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to real estate investments. Stay tuned to my channel, Jessica, for more valuable insights, tips, and guidance on property buying, selling, and investment.